I'm going to show you how to send friends and family payments on PayPal. First, you want to head to paypal.com and sign into your account. Next, you want to click on the send button from the tab above here. And on this send page, you want to basically type the email address or the username or the name or the mobile phone number of the other PayPal user that you want to send the payment to, or you can select from the recent ones here that you've sent money to, and then you can specify the currency and the amount that you want to send. Also add any notes if you want, and click on next. Now from here you should be able to select whether it's goods and services payment or family and friends. You see it locked here, that means your current account country doesn't support family and friends payments. Otherwise, you should see a drop down like this where you can switch it from goods and services to family and friends payments, which is not covered by the PayPal protection. Next, you want to click on the send button here to actually send the payment. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.